Hi, I'm Mark Bjerke, and welcome to Tabula, where you can find simple lessons for the home cook. Have you ever made white rice and it turns out either gummy or gluey? Those are two words that we don't ever want associated with the foods that we cook. Sticky, yes. For rice, we do want sticky rice. Let me show you a really surprising trick that'll turn your rice sticky and not either of those other two G words. The reason that rice gets gluey is because it has starch on the outside of each of these grains of rice. And it gets loosened when hot water hits it, and then all of that loose starch that ends up in the pot of rice ends up just kind of turning into this gluey mixture that glues everything together, and we don't want that. So the way that we're actually going to get past this is going to be starting warm water right now. We're going to activate it with some warm tap water, and then we're just going to swish it around with our hands and purposefully loosen all the starch that's there. And we can see the water has already turned cloudy. That's the starch. I'm just going to pour it off like that. And I'm going to repeat this 4 to 5 times. Lots more cloudy water coming off there. This is number 3. That's number 4. It's looking a lot clearer. That's number 5. There's hardly any starch left in the water there, just the tiniest bit of cloudiness. I'm going to call that good, and now I'm ready to go make a pot of white rice that's not going to be gluey. So today's simple tip is to get rid of excess starch on the surface of the rice by hitting it with warm water and swishing it around with your hands.